Hey Naturally Told fam, welcome to another video. To my old time subscribers, thank you for sticking around, and for the new subscribers who would have joined you since watching my old videos recently, thank you also for joining the family. Now today I'll be showing you guys how it is I do my brown stew fish. So if this is something you want to see, then let's continue into the video. So guys, as you can see, my fish is already clean. It has been scaled, trimmed, gutted, everything that needs to be done, and also sliced to allow for the seasoning to get inside of it easier and make it nice, you get me? So as you can see right now, I'm adding my seasonings, adding my black pepper, my onion powder, and also my all-purpose seasoning. These, once I've added them to the outside here, I will be rubbing them on the fish and also rubbing them inside of the fish. Alright, so we finished with the powder seasoning and we applied it to it and we put down the fish. Now we're going to prepare our natural seasonings. Now I will be using onion, carrot, sweet pepper, and garlic, and a little piece of thyme. You have the option of adding other natural seasonings such as scallion or tomato, added flavor, color, all that niceness. So here you see I'll just be chopping up my carrots, then I'll do the onions, and then I'll do the garlic and the sweet pepper. So you will see that once I cut off the part of the sweet pepper I wanted, I also went ahead to clean out the inside and clean out the seeds, etc., and then dice it up to the size, the desired size. So if you want your sweet peppers to be bigger, you don't have to cut them up as small as I did. It's really up to you.
A few moments later.
So guys, I would have put the oil to hot, and you can see that there are 2 pieces of garlic in there, and that's to help the fish to not stick to the oil when it is frying. Sometimes I use garlic, sometimes I use hot scotch pepper. So now once the oil is hot, you don't want your oil to be too hot and you don't want it too warm. You want it right in between, so the fish them fry perfectly. And trust me, this oil was perfect. So you can see I just going ahead to add two of the fish that are seasoned. Then you see from them a shift round in the pot, you know say the oil hot and the, not too hot, because them can move. And then you're just going to leave those to fry for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your flame. You have to check on them to make sure that they are fried to your desired color. Alright, time pass and we'll come back again. Come back again. So at this point we're about to flip the fish to the other side, and you realize no problem, them not stick, them just flip nice and easy, and them have that nice golden color, the color that you want for your brown stew fish. So now I'm just going to leave them to fry again. Frying the other side won't take as long because the oil would have been penetrated into the fish through the air that you would have been sliced in the middle where you gutted it. So you know, quick time the other side fry, and so I take them out of the pot now. Look how them they're pretty like them can eat. So now you don't need to put them in a no brown stew, but the video today is brown stew. But I'm still going to show you guys how it will look perfectly now if you wanted to go ahead and dive in. Look on them fish there. Oh my god. So the final step is the brown stew. Would have drained the oil from the same pot. Now I'm adding my seasoned water. So that is the seasoning that would have been in the bowl the fish was in with some water. And I'm adding some the natural seasoning that was prepared. So remember I told you that if you want, you can add some tomato, you can add some scallion. It's all up to you what you want. If for color, you're cooking for color, you're cooking for added flavor, up to you. So I'll also be adding a 1/4 stick of butter to the pot, and then after I'll be adding some ketchup, some soy sauce, and also a little toops a browning for color. A brown stew, one little color, don't? Yeah. So I'm going to be adding that as well, so you'll see as I go here what is added. Alright, so I did leave the pot to boil up a little, you know, let the ingredients come to a nice consistency, and I'm going ahead now to add the fish to the pot. Now the time that the fish will stay in the pot for depends on the amount of water you have in your pot, so you don't have to let it stay in there for too long. Now I'm just going ahead to add both fishes to the pot. Yes, you saw me season 3 and this is now 2, because the next one I just decided to make a fry it differently, dry fry and flour fry it and so. But this is the 2 fish that will be brown stewed. I'm just going ahead to add the sauce to it. We're going to turn down the stove and leave it and let it cook down to a nice brown stew. No one can't wait to see what it look like. So at this point we have pot a bubble. The fish is almost ready. We can turn off the stove. This look nice, and the next clip that you'll see after this is the fish plated. So guys, here we have the final presentation of the brown stew fish, well plated. Look at that fish, look at that gravy, look at how tasty and wholesome the fish looks in this plate. Yes guys, so the ingredients will also be placed in the description section, and you can use that to be guided along with the video. Now guys, if the video is something you enjoy, then definitely hit that like button, and also share the video with your friends and family who might want to prepare some brown stew fish in them household for Christmas, one of these days in the week, or anytime coming soon. And guys, if you are new to the channel or you've been watching it for a while and you have not hit that subscribe button, then go ahead and hit it today. Smash it, change it from red, and welcome to the Naturally Told family. And if you want to see me come back with more cooking videos, then leave a comment down below and let me know about that. So guys, this is where I leave you for today, and of course I'll say continue to be your most authentic self, and of course stay naturally. Walk good.